So your videos are barely getting any views, your subscriber count is staying very steady, or dare I say dropping down a little bit, and you're just thinking, what is the point? Well, in this video we're going to discuss about, I think it's time for you to delete your YouTube channel.
Veena V.
Hi, beautiful team action. My name is Veena V and I help you to create effortless YouTube videos. Not only that, I fire you up to be an ultimate action taker. If you're in need of some YouTuber motivation, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell right now, because every single Monday is Move Forward Monday, where I help you to move forward in your YouTube channel and your life. Today, I'm going to tell you something that's highly controversial. I want you to delete your YouTube channel. And I know you know what I mean, because what's the point? You're barely getting any views, your subscribers are staying the same or going down. You're putting so much time and effort into your videos and you're just not seeing any kind of reward. So it's time for you to delete your YouTube channel. Are you being serious? Are you freaking being serious? Do you think I'm being serious? Of course I'm not being serious. What is this channel all about? Is to keep you motivated. No, no, no. You are not going to delete anything. If you are passionate about making videos, if it is your dream to have a life where you can create videos all the time and have a successful YouTube channel, then you cannot give up. And guess what? I'm not gonna let you give up, okay? Because if you truly want something in life, you will keep going no matter what. You won't focus on the views. You won't focus on the subscribers. You will focus on yourself. You will focus on your content, and you will keep going and going until the day you die. Now, I know that may sound dramatic, but I will keep going. I will keep trying whatever I can to live the life that I want to live. So many people, and I'm not necessarily saying this is you, but I meet so many people and they just don't put the effort in. Now think about this logically. In the space of the world, is it 7 billion people? Hardly anyone is successful. Hardly anyone is classed as successful. It's like the top, I don't know the figures here, but it might be 1 or 2% of people in the whole world get to that millionaire, multi-millionaire status. Or even in terms of YouTube, there are so many YouTube channels out there, thousands, and it's only a very, very small percentage that make it to the top, because those are the people that keep going no matter what. Those are the people that stay consistent. Those are the people that love making videos. I use this channel, and just me as a person, I love to be completely open and honest. So I'm going to do that right now. And even rewind maybe a year ago, I would still look at my views sometimes and be like, what? Like I've got thousands of subscribers. Nobody is watching my videos. But then I thought, no, stop throwing yourself a pity party. Nobody likes a pity party, okay? Actually, do you know what? Rewind on what I just said. You can throw yourself a pity party, but make sure it's limited to a certain amount of time. I really believe in letting your emotions out. And, you know, you can feel sorry for yourself sometimes, but do not dwell on it. Do not dwell on the past. Do not dwell on the negatives. You need to focus on what do you want in your life? How do you want your YouTube channel to look? Get a bit of paper out and write down instead of you hitting certain subscriber numbers, why don't you write down on a bit of paper, then stick this up in your house, in your car, wherever you can see it every single day. Write on that bit of paper, what will your YouTube channel bring you? So that keeps you motivated. So rather than writing on a big bit of paper and putting it on a vision board, I want 1 million subscribers. Instead of doing that, write down, stick pictures of all the things 1 million subscribers could bring you. You are going to be potentially helping with whatever your niche is on YouTube, 1 million people. Remember, subscribers aren't just subscribers. Subscribers are actually people that have feelings, that have voices, that want to support you. Maybe having 1 million subscribers might bring you an increase of people buying your products. Maybe you sell a service. It could bring brand awareness. It could bring so many amazing opportunities. So just make sure you focus on the details rather than that headline of 1 million subscribers. And going back to my point of views, please just stop focusing on the number of views and subscribers you have, because that is when you start feeling demotivated. Again, you're focusing on that headline. You're not focusing on, okay. It is better to have 10 people watching your video that watch it all the way through than 100 people that click on it and then click off and then aren't interested. I would rather have 10 engaged people with me than 100. Fair enough, that number looks much better than 10, but they're just there for a minute and then they sod off. They go somewhere else. So just start changing your mindset on how you see your YouTube channel. Go above and beyond. And remember, in life, if you really want something, you will keep going no matter what. And also with your YouTube channel, you need to fit it in as a priority, okay? Now, I am going through a lot right now, personally, to the point where I'm glad I haven't cried on this video. It's very hard hitting, and one day I will expose everything that's happened to me and my son. But the point I'm trying to make is today is a Monday. I know I need to get this video out for Move Forward Monday. My whole life, or my whole Monday so far, has been consumed in sorting out a lot of personal issues. But I am making also YouTube a priority because I've made it my goal to be consistent. I know that if I want this channel to grow, that if I want to have a better relationship with you, some people might watch my videos and then I don't upload for like 6 months. Then I've lost that person. I don't want to lose you. I want us to have a relationship. I want us to be engaged with each other. So I'm really focusing on the benefits of staying consistent on my YouTube channel. Like I said, growing the channel, having a better relationship with you, and being creative. I feel that if I don't release a video at least once a week, I feel a bit weird. I feel like I need to do this to get my voice heard, to help others, to just be creative and have an outlet to express myself. That is why, so start focusing on the benefits of what you're doing and focus on the outcomes rather than the headlines. And no, I don't want you to delete your video. I know you might be annoyed with me now, thinking, oh yeah, I wanted Veena to come along with my pity party with me and I'm going to delete my channel because life is hard. This is so difficult. Yes, if you want something in your life, it is hard, it's difficult. Trust me, I went through such a rubbish time last year and I just didn't want to do anything anymore. I just wanted to give up. But I'm telling you that if you give up, you're never going to get where you want to get in life. Always remember that. If you give up, you will never get to where you want to get in life. You've got to keep trying. You've got to keep failing. You've got to keep adapting. And you've got to keep developing yourself, your YouTube channel, your mindset. That's what you've got to do. I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. Every single Monday is Move Forward Monday. Motivation for YouTubers to keep going. Up on the screen right now, some previous videos. And do follow me on Instagram. I really want to start doing some more on Instagram as well. Remember, take action today, not tomorrow. Go out there and find what makes you happy, because if you don't do that, nobody is going to do it for you.
Don't know why. I believe we'll find a way from far behind. Hope is blind.